Hey Sarah, I just wanted to make this little video for you to try to help you out on this homework a little bit. I've already put at the top here the formula and the things that you were missing that I was trying to explain in the comments have to do with this R value right here. And so the R is the rate, and that's absolutely 100% true. It is the rate. However, when you have things that are being compounded more than just a year, so maybe quarterly or semi-annually or something like that, you actually have to take that R and you have to take the annual percentage rate. Oops, that should be a P. Sorry, annual percentage rate over however many times a year it's happening. So for example, the one homework question you had referred to 4% APR, so 4% rate, and it was happening on a compounding quarterly basis, which means the number of times it's happening is 4. So in your formula, you actually have to take the principal, so it was 2,500 for this particular problem. This is number 35, by the way. And then 1 plus the 4% is the rate, absolutely, but it's actually divided by 4 because it's happening quarterly. It's happening 4 times a year. So think about this logically. APR, this is annual percentage rate. So that's for a full year. If it's happening 4 times a year, it's got to be broken up. So that annual rate is divided up into 4 pieces. And then the exponent comes from taking that same 4 times a year times however many years it's going to happen. And so that's where the 4 comes into play here as well as here. And so if that's quarterly, that number's a 4. If it's semi-annually, that number's a 2. If it's monthly, that number is a 12. If it's daily, that number's 365. So you have to kind of balance it out. So you have to divide the rate by 4 here within the parentheses and then multiply by 4 in the exponent to show you that it's happening 4 times a year. And that would be the total amount for your whole problem after 10 years. So I hope that helps. I'm sorry that it's sloppy. I'm just getting used to this stylus. But I hope it's helpful. And thank you so much for the communication. Keep it up, girl. You're doing a great job. I hope you and your family are well. Say hi to mom and dad for me. Okay, take care.